Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Apple aficionados. Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest moves in the tech world, Apple's risky bet on the future of virtual reality and augmented reality. The Cupertino giant has been making headlines with its ventures into VR and AR, and we're here to break it all down. Whether you're a fan of Apple, intrigued by VR and AR, or just love all things tech, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss this in-depth look at Apple's bold moves in the world of VR and AR. Section 1. Understanding VR and AR. To kick things off, we'll explain what virtual reality is and how it immerses users in a completely digital environment. We'll also delve into augmented reality, which overlays digital information on the real world, offering a unique blend of the digital and physical. Section 2. Apple's entrance into the VR/AR space. We'll discuss Apple's venture into the VR space with the development of their VR headset, expected to launch in the near future. We'll also explore Apple's ambitious plan to introduce AR glasses that could redefine how we interact with the world around us. Section 3. The risk factors. Apple's entry into the VR/AR market is a high-stakes game. We'll discuss the immense pressure and expectations they face. The tech world is fiercely competitive, and we'll highlight some of the major players Apple is up against in the VR/AR race. Section 4. The potential rewards. We'll talk about the game-changing potential of Apple's VR/AR technology, from revolutionizing gaming to enhancing productivity. Apple's VR/AR ventures can further expand that ecosystem and create new revenue streams. Section 5. Challenges and hurdles. Developing VR and AR technology is no small feat. We'll discuss some of the technical challenges Apple faces. The immersive nature of VR and the data gathered in AR raise privacy and ethical concerns. We'll delve into these important issues. Section 6. The future of VR/AR. We'll talk about the potential impact of Apple's VR and AR technology on industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment. We'll conclude by discussing how VR and AR could transform our daily lives in the coming years. In conclusion, Apple's risky bet on the future of VR and AR is a bold move that could change the tech landscape. It's a venture full of challenges and opportunities, and only time will tell how it pans out. If you found this video enlightening and are excited about the potential of VR and AR, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more exciting tech-related content.